Hello friends, I would like to tell you about the anchor holder with the stopper system. It has been designed for anchors up to 8 kilograms. The design consists of the body, the adapter, and the spring-loaded stopper system. It is designed for fixation of 3 to 10 millimeters belts or halyards. The tilt joint is 7.5 degrees. The design has an anchor roller for the belt or halyard sliding. The design allows for flexible adjustment of the anchor outrigger position when mounted on kayaks and boats. This anchor holder is suitable for installation on inflatable. By tilting it over the board, the rope can be lowered so that it does not touch the side of the boat. The roller on the holder provides comfortable rope sliding when releasing the anchor. There is a system for easy and quick release of the halyard. The adapter is compatible with all mounting systems, which have been designed for increased loads. All parts are made of fibreglass-reinforced polyamide. The fasteners and the spring of a AISI 304 stainless steel. It's supplied both separately and in the kit with different mounting systems. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.